Okay, today's topic is about three types three types of proportion. So what are the three types of proportion? So first is direct proportion. So kung direct proportion, when one quantity increases, the other quantity increases at the same rate and vice versa. So example, so the bus fare for an 80-kilometer trip is 65 pesos. So how much is the bus fare for a 300-kilometer trip? So we need to find the fare sa 320 na kilometer trip. Okay, so this is the solution in our problem. Okay, let's have the solution. So let's have 80 is to 65 is equal to 320 is equal to n. So 80 times n is 80 and 65 times 320 is 20,800. So 80 and divide 80 is n and 20,800 is equal to 80. So n is equal to 260. So therefore, ang fare sa 320 kilometers nga trip is 260. Ang fare na to sa 320 kilometer trip is 260. So we have 60. Next, inverse proportion. So another types of proportion is inverse proportion. When one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases, and vice versa. Example, if 6 men can plow a field in 2 days, how long will 3 men do it? So solution na to. This is our solution. So come up this solution. So let's have 3 is to 2 is equal to 6 is to n. So let's cross multiply. Cross product 3 times n is 3n and 2 times 6 is 12. So divide both sides by 3. 3n divide 3 is equal 12 divided 3 is n. So therefore our answer is how long will 3 men do it? So kung 3 men ang magtrabaho, so they need to work for 4 days. So 4 days. Next is partitive proportion. So what is partitive proportion? A whole is divided into parts that is proportional to the given ratio. Example, the sum of two numbers is 215. If the ratio is 2 is to 3, find the larger number. So let's have our solution. So this is our solution. So 2n plus 3n is equal to 215. So 2n plus 3n is 5n is equal to 215. So divide both side by 5. 5n divided by 5 is equal to n, and 215 divided 5 is 43. So we have the value of n. So substitute the value of n. So 2 times 43, this is 43, plus 3 times 43 nga n. So 2 times 43 is 86 plus 3 times 43 is 129 is equal to 15. So go back to our problem. So the sum of two numbers is 215. If the ratio is 2 is to 3, find the larger number. So the larger number is 129. So we have 86 plus 29. Our larger number is 129. So let's practice. So we have a problem. So identify the type of proportion that the following problems illustrate, then solve the problems. So this is a time that you need to answer this problem if you understand our discussion. So let's answer and comment down below of your answer. So number one, it takes 3 salesmen 8 days to sell 5,000 boxes of soap. If 2 more salesmen are added, how long will it take them? Then number two, if 3 eggs cost 8, how much will egg cost? So three boys sold garlands in the ratio of 2:3:4. Together they sold 125 garlands. How many garlands did each boy sell? So basket of food is this sufficient to feed 15 persons for 3 days. How many days would it last? 14 persons. So those are okay. So those are the 3 types of proportion.